Hey, good morning, everyone. It is 11 October, Friday, and we're leaving for, I think it's day 15 or 16, one of the two. Anyway, I think day 16 or maybe even 17. But yeah, here we are. We're leaving Tucumcari, New Mexico, on our way to Albuquerque. Got a late start today. I pushed out another video, wanted to get that done and let the desert warm up just a little bit. It's one of those things. It's too cold in the morning some days, too hot in the afternoon. I don't know if you noticed, but I'm wearing my desert uh, climb gear for the hotter weather, and it does an excellent job. When I start heading up north, I'll put on some my climb latitude gear, which is for more 3 seasons. Right now, this stuff works great. Okay, so we're heading to Albuquerque today, and I'm just going to go check out Albuquerque. I used to live there. We lived there from 2002 to 2004. Great memories. Our kids were little, had a lot of fun. So I'll go by my old house. I'll go by my old squadron, covered Air Force Base. Hope to meet up with some friends. That'll be pretty much it for today. Kind of a short ride. It's only about 162 miles. So that's fantastic. Just a nice, easy day. And then tomorrow it's off to, the scene where Forrest Gump is in the middle of the desert in the Monument Valley. That's literally where I'm going to go. And then after that, I'm going to head up to Moab. But today, kind of a light day. On my agenda as well is Rudy's Barbecue and one other sandwich place. Dion's. Those are my two foods I want to get, which we love in Albuquerque. All right, have a great day. Bye-bye.
Yeah, dog four.
Whoa, that's cool. That is amazing. Wow. Nuts. Wow. That is so cool. Huh. Whoa. Whoa.